Hey, this is Heidie-Fernandez, your virtual assistant for today's tutorial. I will show you how to troubleshoot YouTube copyright claims. So we're going to discuss two information, where to check the copyright claims information for your videos, and how to fix it, easy steps. Let's get started. Okay, just recently I opened my YouTube account for the ads for a campaign that I am creating for one product. Now, I just realized, actually I just found out today that I had issue with one of my YouTube video, which is this one. And I found out that it has a copyright claims. So we're going to troubleshoot it step by step. This video has over 700,000 views, and the claimant is earning from it. So I will create a dispute for it. When a third party files a copyright complaint or a copyright claim and YouTube approves it, the claimant can earn the revenue for that particular video. So whatever that has been generated by the use by that video, the earnings will go to the claimant. I definitely agree that the protection of original content is essential, but copyright strikes have been used liberally, even in cases that are not so clear. So I will show you and I will explain how I did the credits on the actual videos. Okay, this is the actual video, and as you can see here, I was doing a campaign for Rich Piana's product, and I decided to use one of his video. But proper credits are in the description. The credit information that I have YouTube of Rich Piana's link in the description. I have the product Rich Piana's product in the description as well. So everything in here will be credited to Rich Piana. And the credit to the video or the audio that used in this video is in here as well. So we're going to claim that we're going to apply for a dispute within the claim. So also I have the audio information here, so the credit for the audio is in here as well. Okay. Sign in to your YouTube account, so click the affected video with the property or the copyright claim, and then open that, and then we're going to click the edit video. Now you are inside the editor of YouTube. Here is where you're going to find out the copyright claim here. So here in visibility, under visibility information, you have your copyright claim. So click that so you can have more information about the claims. What kind of claim is that? One thing good about the claim that I got is that it is not a copyright infringement. So it's not really a copyright strike wherein my account will be affected. So the content ID claim is actually just an audio claim. Here, an audio claim. So as you can see here, ad revenue paid for this particular video is going to the copyright owner, which is the audio owner. So it also shows where that copyright claim is, the actual location, or where in that particular video, where in what section in the video is affected by the copyright claim. So it is here from 6:58 to 8:05. Okay, so what we can do first thing is we can edit this inside editor. So choose the editor. We're going to delete, actually I've already did that. So we're going to delete that part wherein we can delete or erase the section of the copyrighted materials or the copyright audio for this video. We're going to trim. Okay, this as you can see here, it becomes a little darker. So you're going to okay. We are now inside YouTube editor or the YouTube studio. We're going to trim that part, that 6:58 section of the video. Okay, once you have identified the section, the copyrighted audio, 6:58, maybe start at 6:57, doesn't matter. You can now drag it dark. It was highlighted darker. You can now click the preview and then save. That's how you that's number one troubleshooting option for copyright claim for your YouTube video. You delete the part wherein you have the claim. Also, please take note that you will have different actions options in here depending on the content ID claims. So for my content claim or my copyright claim, I have only dispute. In here, it can other options will be for you to replace the song, mute the song, or other options that will be available depending on your content ID claims. There you go, and good luck to you. Please click the subscribe button and hit like and share. Thank you. Also, depending on the content claims or the content ID claims, for the different actions that you can do with the property with the claim. Sabi ko. Ano daw?